Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best sureties for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Notif, compatible with iOS 11, 12, and 13. Always show your notification history on the lock screen. Next tweet is called Don't Kill My Music, prevents you from killing the app that is currently playing. So when an app is playing, you can't kill it. Next tweet is called No New Contact Photo Available banner, and hides the contact photo available banner. Next tweet is called No News is Good News, hides newsstand icon with locate app icons to the home screen. And this is called No New Mark 8, disables the blue dot next to apps were recently installed or updated. Next tweet is called Slack, made on stream, watch device when you swipe to today view on the springboard. Next tweet is called BT Stack, BT Stack for iOS device alternate Bluetooth stack for iOS devices with a public API. And there's also BT Stack GPS, and connect an external Bluetooth GPS receiver to your iPod Touch, iPhone, or iPad. Next is called Dual Clock, 2 time zones on lock screen. So Dual Clock version 2.0 was updated, and I can show up to 3 time zones. So it was 2. Now with this tweak, you can show up to 3 different time zones on your lock screen. Next tweak is called Faster Scroll, increased scrolling speed everywhere. Next tweak is called Current Bypass. So supports iOS 12 to 14.2. So actually there was a current bypass, is version 0.1 made by Bari that supports iOS 14 and up, but unfortunately Bari did release that, which is the developer. He did release the current bypass first, that new current bypass version, and then he removed it. So I'm not sure if it's just like, if it's not, maybe there's some errors or some people have problems with it, but right now we have to use their current bypass unofficial one on iTaster's repo. So it's kernel jailbreak bypass detection. So it lets you bypass certain applications using current bypass, which is like I said, a kernel bypass detection for jailbreaking. So I've had issues with this, guys. I'm not sure if you guys do as well. But if you do have issues using current bypass, I recommend using a tweak called vnode bypass, and that tweak works amazing. And it works really similarly to current bypass. This is called Odyssey 2 for WhatsApp, and it's all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp, making it simple and easy to use. Supports iOS 9 and 14. Next tweak is called Swift. Customize and shrink your lock screen music player. Next tweak is called Color Me Notives, brings colors to notifications. This is called Drain Check. Monitor your battery, so it monitors your battery when you turn on Do Not Disturb or low power mode, and when you turn it off, it tells you how much percentage your battery went down. This is called Noctis Neo. It's basically dark mode for iOS 13. This is called Eclipse for iOS 13. It's basically another alternative dark mode for iOS 13. So Eclipse back for iOS 13. Facebook and Cydia support is here. This is called My Blue Assets for iOS. So this one's for iOS 13 and above. Also another one's for iOS 11 and 12. So now with the new update, now with data plus OTA delay, OTA disabler or enabler, bug fixes, and uncover news. So also with this tweak, it helps you like block ads, revotes, updates, all that stuff. Next tweak is called Pencil Charging Indicator. Makes charging less boring with the Apple Pencil Charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. So your themes are enabled, disabled based on where you are on your device, and much more. Can customize and set. And supports iOS 13. And the last tweak is called No Tie or No T Actions. Okay, and adds 10 activated triggers. These triggers can be called whenever you receive a notification with specific text set by you. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.